Before we jump in, a quick note. The visuals in this video use AI-enhanced renders and official concept photos from Audi to imagine what the Audi Concept C Roadster could look like if it hits production. Now, picture this. You're standing in front of an Audi unlike any other. It feels futuristic, bold, and yet carries the spirit of the legendary TT. This might just be the sports car Audi fans have been waiting for. So let's dive in. Look at the front. Instead of Audi's familiar hexagonal grille, the Concept C wears a large rectangular face. Sharp LED strips with 4 glowing blocks on each side pay tribute to Audi's 4 Rings logo. It's clean, futuristic, and slightly aggressive. From the side, the proportions are longer, lower, and wider than both the original TT and even the R8. Broad shoulders, strong character lines, and a silhouette that makes you think this is Audi rewriting its design playbook. Now, imagine pulling up to a curb in this Roadster, metallic body glistening under the city lights, LED accents glowing like eyes in the night. It's bold, it's futuristic, and definitely head-turning. Step inside. The Concept C interior feels like industrial art. Wool twill, cloth, real metal, and leather combine in a way that feels both premium and tactile. There's a retractable 10.4-inch screen that disappears when you don't need it. Anodized aluminum switches sit under your fingertips, giving you a satisfying mechanical feel. And best of all, a classic round steering wheel. No gimmicks, just pure driving focus. Close your eyes and picture yourself grabbing that wheel, pressing the start button, and watching the cabin come alive with subtle ambient lighting. It's futuristic, but still grounded in driver engagement. The Concept C is designed as an electric roadster, rear-wheel drive by default. Audi says all-wheel drive is also possible. While official specs aren't revealed yet, the design promises agility, a low center of gravity, and instant EV torque. This isn't just a design exercise. Audi says the production version will look almost identical, even from 50 meters away. That's rare in concept cars. So you're not just looking at a dream, you're looking at the very real future of Audi sports cars. What makes the Concept C so special is its inspiration. It nods to the 1930s Grand Prix racers, takes the spirit of the TT, but yet avoids being retro. It's fresh, futuristic, and bold. If this is the design language Audi will use moving forward, we could be witnessing a turning point, a new golden era for the brand. But here's the question. If Audi launches this Concept C as a production car, would you want it as a pure EV, or would you prefer a hybrid version for that mix of electric and engine sound? And what about the interior? Do you like the industrial look with wool and metal, or would you prefer something more minimal and futuristic? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm really curious what you think about this bold new direction. So, the Audi Concept C isn't just another shiny design study. It's a bold statement, a glimpse of what Audi's next sports car era could look like. With futuristic design, tactile interior, and an electric powertrain, it's Audi daring to dream big. If you enjoyed exploring this concept with me, hit that like button, share this video with your car enthusiast friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more future car previews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.